now we're in the main hallway to the great room when you walk off the apartment. And since it was such a long hallway and we used the concept of elements, what I did was I incorporated these frameless doors with kind of a driftwood veneer columns with engineered lighting that was designed by me in between each column specifically for this project. And behind me, so when somebody sits in the living room and they look down this long hallway, they don't stare at a black wall. I incorporated these beautiful viso pebble-like lighting that I saw in Italy at the Isolone show. And I thought, wow, what a perfect idea to look at, because lighting adds so much to a space. It adds depth, it adds color, and the color of the metal of the pebbles was just perfect for the space. It worked beautifully with the design. I think that it looks amazing and I'm so proud of it. Walking towards the grand room, we have these hidden doors into the powder room and laundry room that you would never know they were here or they existed unless you kind of looked up and saw the lock on the door. I did that as a purpose of not seeing any doors because I wanted to keep the design flow of this beautiful hallway. So the main focal point would be the lighting, the pebbles on the back wall, and not any doors or any entries to other areas.